basic manufacturing process unit third and lecture 858 or the machining in the grinding. Agenda for today present in this video. The grinding machine, cylindrical and grinder of surface grinders, centerless grinder, and operation performed on the grinding machine, reciprocating surface grinding, grinder, rotary surface grinders, and the centerless grinding. These are terms present in the detail in this video. Continue. Operation performed on the grinding machines. First of all, polishing. What is the polishing? Polishing is the process is used for removing the scratch mark uh, and tool marks the workpiece on the workpiece is give the good luck. For this process, polishing wheels made of conveyors later of the paper are used. Buffering. This is also a surface finishing process and is used to produce the lustrous surface of attractive appearance. This process very small amount of material is removed. Third operation is lapping operation. Lapping. This process is used for producing the extremely accurate high finishing surface. Lapping is the carried out by means of soaps of called the lap. The laps are the made up of soft iron and copper, lead and brass. Operation performed on the grinding machine. Uh, Continue. Honing operation. Honing is the abrasing process used for finishing of internal grinding surface like the drill of the board holes. Honing stone of the manufacture by bonding of abrasive like aluminum oxide and silicon carbide. Honing is both of sizing and finishing operation is generally used for removing the stretch marks of produced in the grinding. The material removed is less than the 0.125 mm. Superfinishing. It is an abrasive process by the removing of scratches produced by the machining of other surface. Illustrated for the amount of material removed is 0.005 to 0.0025 mm. In superfinishing is abrasive stick or return to the suitable holder of applied for the surface of the workpiece is the light pressure. And the operation performed on the grinding machine is continue the super finishing. First operation is the continue super finishing operation. The abrasive used for the aluminum oxide material like the high speed steel. The silicon carbide abrasive are used for material like the cast iron, aluminum, and brass. Bond of the diamond dust is used for finishing carbide tool. This is the grinding machine. This is the frame structure of the grinding machine, grinding part of the surface grinding, and this is the table of the grinding. The table is moved the reciprocating motion of the horizontal, and this is the small pieces of the workpiece, and this is the and this part, and this part is used to the saddle, and this is the table of the direction of feet of workpiece. Okay. This is head of the wheel head of the machine, and depth of cut. This is the depth of cut of the machines, and it is the column of machine, and this is the tool is move the grinding wheels, and second is the wheel of ground, and this machine box is the bed of the machine. Bed is the all the equipment consist of the bed. Operation performed on the grinding will continue. Surface a horizontal wheels expanded for the reciprocating table. These types of grinding have one reciprocating table and a horizontal spindle. The table can be give a reciprocating motion either the manually by hand wheel of the hydraulic power, vertical wheels spindle, and a rotary table. These types of grinders are used in production types of work. Rotary surface grinding. Rotary surface grinders. These are also two types of horizontal spindle or vertical spindle. In the horizontal spindle rotary table surface grinder, the workpiece is arranged to the concentric of the circle where the table is made for rotary under the revolving of wheel. Both the wheels are in the rotating in the opposite directions of the workpiece. The specification of the grinding wheels is continuing advantage and of the centerless grinding. The advantage of centerless grinding is the check and center are not required. Check is not required for the center. The workpiece is greatly supported during grinding, so is no change of direction of the workpiece. The, this is process is fast and lets the skilled operator carry out the operation, and wide range of component can be grounded. The large grinding wheels can use to so that and minimize the wheel wear and transfer of grindings. This transfer of grindings will work with the reciprocating of the wheel rotate, and the workpiece is the large size and ground of the grinding wheels, and less the stick. The plunge of grinding. The plunge of grinding wheel is fed to rotary workpiece. There is the no reciprocating of motion. The method is used to relatively short a piece of easily form of grinding where some profile of the wheel is rounded to the and surface grinders. Surface grinders are used to produce the flat surface of the workpiece. The basic machine has the grinding wheels above to the work area, which can be feed of downward in the is the small of element is to the workpiece, which being to the move to left and to right of the surface. Thank you so much. In this video, I present in the main operations of the grinding wheels.